Is the CPU stuck at 90% or even 100% all the time? Don't worry. This problem usually happens after updates because of background tasks, drivers, or startup apps. In this video, I'll show you 6 simple fixes to reduce CPU usage and speed up your PC again. Let's fix it. Identify the high CPU process. The first step is finding out what is actually using your CPU. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager. Click the Processes tab. Click the CPU column to sort by usage. Now check which process is using the most CPU. Common causes include Windows Update, Anti-malware service, browser tabs, background apps. If one app is constantly using high CPU, right-click it and select End Task to test if performance improves. Disable unnecessary startup apps. Many apps automatically start with Windows and keep running in the background. Another very common reason for high CPU usage and slow startup is too many applications starting automatically when Windows boots. They run in the background and consume CPU, memory, and disk resources. The good news is you can easily disable unnecessary startup programs. Common startup apps that are safe to disable include game launchers, messaging or chat applications, automatic software updaters, programs you rarely use. For example, Steam or Epic Games Launcher, Skype or Discord, Auto Start, Adobe Updater Services. Reducing the number of startup applications helps Windows boot faster and lowers background CPU usage. This simple step alone can make a slow computer feel much faster. Avoid disabling important system services like Microsoft Security apps, driver system utilities. If you're not sure about an app, search its name online before disabling it. This reduces background load and improves boot speed. Check Windows Update background tasks. After a major update, Windows may continue running background processes. Open Settings, go to Windows Update, click Check for updates. Install pending updates, restart the computer. Sometimes CPU usage is temporary while Windows finishes background optimization. Run System File Repair, SFC DISM. Corrupted system files can also cause high CPU usage. Click Start Search. Command prompt. Right-click arrow. Run as administrator. Wait until it finishes. Then run dism/online/cleanup-image/restore health. These tools scan and repair Windows system files that may have been damaged during the update. Update. Important drivers. Outdated drivers are another common cause of high CPU usage. Right-click Start. Open Device Manager, update these drivers. Chipset graphics, GPU. Network adapter. For best results, download drivers from the official laptop or motherboard website. Perform a clean boot test. If the problem still exists, another program might be causing the issue. Press Windows plus R, type msconfig. Go to Services tab, check Hide. Microsoft Services, click Disable or Restart. The PC, if CPU usage becomes normal, then a third-party program was causing the issue. Last resort, uninstall the problematic update. If the problem started right after a specific update, you can remove it. Open Settings. Go to Windows. Update. Click Update. History, select. Uninstall updates. After uninstalling, pause updates until Microsoft releases a fix. Important tip: temporary versus constant. CPU usage. Remember this. Checkmark temporary spikes are normal during updates or scans. Crossmark. But if CPU stays at 100% constantly, then something is wrong. If this guide helped you fix high CPU usage, please like the video and subscribe for more Windows troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching.